Welcome back to Full Course Online. In this video, I'll show you how to install Windows 11 on VirtualBox, step by step. First, open VirtualBox. Now, on the VirtualBox main screen, click on New to create a new virtual machine. In the name field, type Windows 11. The type will automatically be set to Microsoft Windows. Set the version to Windows 11, 64-bit. Now click on the arrows next to specify virtual hardware. Set the RAM to at least 4 GB, which is 4096 MB. If your system has more memory available, you can increase this for better performance. Set number of processor cores to at least 2. Now expand the virtual hard disk section. Set the disk size to 64 GB or more, as required by Windows 11. Later on, if you want to increase or decrease the disk size, watch this video. Select VDI, which stands for VirtualBox Disk Image. Click on Finish button. Now select the Windows 11 virtual machine you just created. Click on Settings. Go to Storage. Under Controller IDE, click on Empty. Now click the disk icon on the right side. Select Choose or Create Optical Disk option. Then click Add. Now browse to the location where your Windows 11 ISO file is stored. Select the Windows 11 ISO file. Click Open. Next, go to Display. Set the video memory to 128 MB. Click OK to save the settings. Now click Start to Power on the virtual machine. The Windows 11 setup screen will appear. On this screen, select I don't have a product key. Select the version of the Windows which you want to install. Then click Next. Accept the license agreement. Select the Custom Install option. Select the disk and then click Next. If you want to learn the Windows 11 installation process in more details, watch this video. Windows 11 will now begin installing. This process may take several minutes. The virtual machine may restart automatically. This is normal. After installation, follow the on-screen setup steps. Choose your country and keyboard layout. Create a user account. Set your password and privacy options. Wait a few moments while Windows 11 finishes setting up. The Windows 11 desktop will now appear. You have successfully installed Windows 11 on VirtualBox. You can now explore Windows 11 safely inside a virtual machine. That's it for this video. If this tutorial helped you, like the video and share it with others. Subscribe to the channel for more Windows, VirtualBox, and step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.